Hi everyone, welcome to Kisrin Academy. In this video, we are going to continue from where we stopped, which was talking about navbars. So in this place, we have navbar with drop-down forms and button. So we have navbars can also hold drop-down menus. So we have it like this. So let's try our own out. So we'll come here. We'll also create one li, and inside this li, we'll give it a class, and inside. Oh, so in this way, we'll come here, we'll say UL. Inside this UL, we'll create another li inside it. And we'll come to this UL. We'll say class drop down menu. Then after that, inside this li, we can just do like this. And now let's duplicate this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I hope this is enough. Now let's check it out. Oh, so first and first, we'll create a li, and inside this li, we'll give it a class name. We'll say class nav item, then item. Then we'll say drop down. Then after that, we'll give it an anchor tag, and this anchor tag we'll give it hash, and then we'll now say class nav link drop down, then data bs toggle, which will be drop down. Then we can as well give it a row. We'll say row, which will be button. And in this place, instead of, we'll give it drop down. Then after this anchor tag, we'll create a URL, and inside this URL, we'll give it a class name. Inside this URL, we'll give it li, and we'll give it class name, and we'll give it class BT. So let's have it like this. Now let's check it out. So this is it. This is just we just did. I hope you get that. So that's that about that. Then also, we also have for forms and button. Let's work around that. So we'll come here, then we'll come here. Then after that, we'll say anchor tag. Then inside this anchor tag, we'll give it hash, and we'll give it class nav bar brand and also we'll give it href. So this one will be equals to, this one will be JavaScript void, which will be in 0. Then we'll come here, we'll say logo, brand or logo. Then after this anchor tag, what are we saying? We are giving it a button. Then inside this button, we'll give it class navbar toggle. Then we'll give it type button. Then we'll give it, yes, let's come to this button. Yes. Then after giving it all of this collapsible navbar, and this button will say span. Inside this span, we'll give it class nav bar toggler. Then that's that for the button. So after this button, we'll come here, we'll give it another div, and this div will give it class. We'll give it class. Inside this class, we'll say collapse. We'll say collapse, and we'll say nav bar collapse. Then we'll give it ID, which will be, this one does not need to have long distance. This will be, this one will be my navbar. My navbar. This one will be my navbar. Then we as well come here. We should change this one to my navbar. Not collapsible. Say my navbar. Then after inside this div, we'll give it UL and we'll give it li. Then in this UL, we'll say last navbar nav, and we'll say ME should be auto. Then after that, in this li, we'll give it anchor tag and we'll say class nav link, and we'll also give it href, which will be JavaScript void. Then we'll come to this one, we'll give it class nav item. Then after that, after this UL, we'll create a form, and inside this form, we'll give it a class. The class should be dflex. Then inside the form, we'll give it input, and the input will have type text. I will say class form control. They will say margin top should be 2. Margin end should be 2. And we'll give it placeholder, which will be search. Then after that, we'll come here, we'll say H3. Then we'll say navbar forms. Then we'll as well give it p tag, and we'll say you can also include forms. So that's that about that. Now let's check it. Okay, let's do this. Now let's check it out. So can you see what is the issue here? So we have a form here. We don't know what is this. We have a logo, we have link. So this is it for it. So let's move to the next part, which says we have for button as well. We've done for button. And the next one says the navigation bar can also be fixed at the top or the bottom of a page. A fixed navigation bar stays visible in the fixed position top or bottom independent of the page scope. The fixed top class makes the nav bar fixed at the top, and you can work around it. Use this sticky top class to make the nav bar fixed or stay at the top of the page when you scroll past it. Note, the class does not work in IE 11 and with earlier versions, which is treated as positive, with position which will be relative. So thank you for that. I hope you understand this video I have taught you so far. Thank you for watching this video. Please do follow us across all socials and Technical Academy. See you next time. Bye.